Check out this cool abandoned property we found. And I think it's for sale. And we are going to try and see if we can buy it. Look at the cool barn. Nice big barn. There's a grain bin, a garage, another shed there, another shed there. A big old horse corral. So the property goes all the way back. Way back to the edge over there. It's like almost 4 acres. So it even comes with a set of old work boots. That's neat. Really love this cool old barn. Yeah, this property needs some work, but if we can get it, we're up for the challenge. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Should we get it? Should we buy it? Leave a comment below.